If you are watching this video, you're probably trying to figure out which project management tool to choose. In this video, we will discuss two strong candidates in the fields of the project management, which is ClickUp and Taskade. It can feel a little bit overwhelming while you're trying to choose between these two, but no worries. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover most of the things you need to know about these project management tools in order to make the right choice. So in this video, first of all, we're going to cover apps overview, usability and interface, management capabilities, collaboration between your team members, time tracking, pricing, and finally, we will cover the recommendations based on your needs. So whether you are a freelancer juggling multiple projects or you are part of a larger team and trying to stay organized, no worries, as by the end of the video, you will have clear idea which tool is right for you. All right, so let's dive in. Let's have a general overview of these two project management platforms, and we're going to start from Taskade. Taskade is pretty straightforward. It's user-friendly and great for smaller teams or anyone who wants to have a quick setup. You can create task lists, outlines, and collaborate in real time, which is super handy if you're working with others. On the other hand, we have ClickUp. This tool has a lot of features and customization options. It's ideal for medium or large-sized teams dealing with more complex projects. You can manage tasks, collaborate on documents, and set goals, and all in one place. So whether you want something simple or a more robust tool, both Taskade and ClickUp have their own strengths. Let's have a closer look at what each one offers. Just a quick note before we continue. In the description below, you will find affiliate links to both Taskade and ClickUp. If you decide to sign up through those links, it helps to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now let's talk about user interface. Taskade really shines with its clean design. When you open it up, everything is laid out nicely. You can jump right in. Creating task lists is easy, and the real-time collaboration feature means you can see changes as they happen. It's great for teams that need to stay in sync. ClickUp, on the other hand, has a lot going on. It has multiple views such as list, board, Gantt chart, and more. While this is great for organizing projects, it can feel a little bit overwhelming at first. If you are someone who likes options, you might appreciate this, but it can take some time to get used to it. Well, both tools have mobile apps, but if you're often on the go, Taskade's mobile experience is more streamlined. Well, ClickUp's app is packed with features, but it can feel a little bit cluttered. So if you prefer a straightforward interface, then Taskade is good to go. But if you're a fan of different options and features, then ClickUp is a good candidate for it. All right, let's dive into task management, which is the core of the project management tool. Taskade makes it easy to create and assign tasks. You can set due dates, priorities, and reminders. One feature I found useful is the ability to create outlines and mind maps. It helps to visualize ideas and tasks, which can be great for team brainstorming. ClickUp takes task management as a step further. It allows for custom statuses, multitask management, and structured hierarchy. You can create tasks, subtasks, and assign different team members to different parts of the project. This flexibility can really helpful for larger teams. If you are looking for a simple yet effective task management system, well, Taskade is a solid choice. But if you need something more powerful with advanced features, well, ClickUp is worth to consider. Now let's talk about collaboration, which is a key part of the project management. Taskade really excels in this area. You can invite team members to join a project, and everyone can work together in real time. The built-in video and voice calling features make it easy to brainstorm and coordinate without need to switch apps. ClickUp also has a good collaboration tools, but it's a bit more structured. You can leave comments on tasks, tag team members, and create discussions for specific projects. This can be beneficial for larger teams or corporate environments, but might feel a little bit stiff if you prefer more casual way. One area where ClickUp stands out is document collaboration. You can create and edit documents directly within the platform, which is useful for sharing information quickly. If your team thrives on real-time discussions, Taskade might be the right option for you. But if you prefer a more organized approach with the comprehensive document collaboration, ClickUp is the right one. All right, now let's discuss time tracking and reporting. ClickUp has a solid native time tracking feature that allows users to log hours directly onto tasks. This is important for keeping track of productivity. You can easily see how much time is being spent on each task, which helps to identify any bottlenecks. Plus, ClickUp offers detailed reporting capabilities, allowing you to generate reports on time spent, task completion rates, and overall project progress. Taskade, while lacking built-in time tracking, integrates well with the third-party tools. If you are already using something like Toggle, this can work for you. However, it doesn't mean jumping between apps, which can be a little bit of a hassle. In terms of reporting, ClickUp provides more comprehensive options, allowing users to generate various reports to analyze performance. This is especially useful for project management who need to present data to stakeholders or to create monthly reports. So if time tracking is crucial for your team, ClickUp has the advantage. But if you prefer a simply approach and are okay with the third-party integrations, Taskade can still meet your needs. Now let's break down the pricing. If we talk about the Taskade pricing, so as you can see, there is a free plan. So in case if you want to start the Taskade, I would definitely recommend to go with the free plan. But just make sure that in this case, the usage of it is going to be limited. For example, like you will have the option only to have one workspace, but it could be enough for a trial period, or even though like in case if you are freelancing and working by your own. At the same time, you also can start to work with the AI agents possibilities that Taskade propose. But in case if you would like to expand, then Taskade Pro is an option to go. And because like in this case, you already can have like up to 10 workspaces if you need this. And in case if you will fall in love with the Taskade AI agents, then this plan is good to go because you're already going to have the unlimited usage of it, and you can create as many Task AI agents as you want. If you're a part of a larger team, then Taskade for Teams for $16 is going to be an option for you. In the ClickUp case, it's also containing multiple options for pricing, but it also have like the free forever plan, so you can sign up and start to use it straight ahead. And as you can see here, for example, like as we have checked for the Taskade, you can see that you can have, there was like for the Taskade, it was just one workspace. And for the free forever plan for the ClickUp, it also already include like 4 spaces. So it's a little bit more. So at the same time, you can have lists and spaces up to 100, then 100 folders, then custom views. The only thing, in case if we talk about the collaboration and the free plan for the guests must be given full access, so no permission. And also there is limit for the usage of the custom fields and number of custom fields as well. But at the same time, in case if you would like to go for getting more options, then the ClickUp have different options to go in terms of the payment plans that start from $7, then it goes for 12 and 19. And in every case, as you can see, the options are going up and up. So in terms of the pricing, both platforms as Taskade and ClickUp, they have in a free plan. So it's worth to go and try both just to see which one is going to suit you best. And if we talk about the paid plan, both also are equal in terms of the first paid plan, which is $7 to $8. So which tool should you choose? Choose Taskade if you want a simple, user-friendly tool that focuses on real-time collaboration. It's perfect for small teams or freelancers who need to manage tasks without the complexity or advanced features. You should choose ClickUp if you need a more comprehensive project management solution with advanced features and customization options for larger teams. It's ideal for organization managing complex projects that require detailed tracking and reporting. Thanks for joining me in this comparison of Taskade and ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.